Ready to conquer heavy-duty fastening jobs? Today we're diving into the Bosch GDS18V-1180CN Pro Factor 18V 3/4-inch impact wrench, built for high-demand tasks that need serious power. If you've been on the lookout for a tool that combines precision and muscle, this impact wrench might just fit the bill. This Bosch impact wrench is part of the Pro Factor series, equipped with Bosch's bi-turbo brushless motor for robust performance. Paired with Bosch's Core 18V batteries, it maximizes torque and efficiency, hitting a breakaway torque of 1,620 feet-pounds. Whether you're loosening stubborn bolts or fastening large anchors, it's a tool designed for heavy-duty work environments from construction to industrial maintenance. This wrench offers 3 speed settings, a helpful range for control in different applications. It also includes unique features like auto slow down and auto stop, which automatically reduce speed and stop driving once the bolt is flush with the surface, ensuring you won't overdrive or damage workpieces. And with auto bolt release, it stops the rotation to prevent accidental drops when removing fasteners, boosting both safety and efficiency. There are a few considerations. The impact wrench's bare tool weight is 7.1 pounds, which can be a strain for long or overhead use, especially when adding a battery. And while it's a powerful investment for professionals, its cost may not suit those needing a tool for occasional or light work. Sold as a bare tool, users need to purchase Bosch's Core 18V battery separately to unlock its full power. Ultimately, this model is best for those handling industrial-level jobs where its torque, control features, and rugged build can be fully utilized. Check out the link in the description for the latest price on Amazon. Let's summarize the main advantages and disadvantages of this model. Cons: heavy and tiring for long use. Battery not included, raising the total cost. May be too powerful for light or casual tasks. Pros: extremely high torque, ideal for tough bolts. 3 speed settings for better control. Safety features prevent overdriving and accidental drops. Bluetooth ready for easy tool monitoring. Quick socket changes with friction ring. If you're ready to take on tough fastening jobs with confidence, this Bosch impact wrench might be exactly what you need. For more details, check the link in the video description. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below.